TSHA Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. So just looking at Taysha Gene Therapies, 24% increase in price is absolutely beautiful. All I'm about to do is just say that this is still a bearish market to me. I'm not saying this like in a way to hate or anything, but it's just the truth, right? And if I come here, you will see that it's on the bleeding edge. I'm genuinely saying this because supply zones, like this is when we decide. The price will never just stay in this supply forever. It will either start giving me the shift towards the downside or break highs up, right? Or it can just crash, you know, and do whatever. There's a lot of variables that can be changed, but I'm saying that if my rules are met, then you bet that I'm going to look to trade this. So that's how TSHA is looking like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. This, bro, I'm excited, but there's no way that I'm just going to trade this, right?